Welcome back to Barlow's Boutique. I'm Frankie. How you doing today? Today I'm displaying my 1997 Sideshow I'm Back Bernie Wrightson vinyl model kit. It was sculpted by Matt Falls. I've been wanting this thing for a long time and finally found it on eBay for a good price because they're pretty expensive and you don't want to go, you can buy one for 20 bucks from Taiwan if you want to do that, but I don't recommend buying them recasts. Anyway, Bernie Wrightson is one of my all-time favorite artists, if not my all-time favorite artist. I became aware of him way back in the day when I picked up a little comic book called Creepshow, and this is my original copy. And unfortunately, it's it's coming apart. So I bought this and a Kiss Reason to Live 45 at the same day. That shows you the date, and then became uber aware of this. This is my original Cycle of the Werewolf, which Bernie did all the artwork for inside this. And then when I started collecting comic books, I'll give you a view of a couple of the issues I got that Bernie did. His art just always grabbed me. And in fact, my first band, Morbus, which later became Fulcrum, whatever. Local people know what I'm talking about. The first little EP we did on a boombox recording, we used one of Bernie's artwork for our little tape we gave out. In fact, hold on, here's the tape, actually. No copyright infringement. This wasn't mass produced. As you can see, it's all handwritten. I started working at Capital City Distributions in 1993, and then I worked at Diamond Comics and became aware of these model kits. I saw the Frankenstein kit at the store. They had a damaged store for a while, and I wanted it so bad, but the peckerhead that worked there wouldn't sell it because he wanted it. And that's when the first time I saw the Mementos print. And I wanted that thing so bad, and I just couldn't find it anywhere. And if I did see it, it was very expensive. But then, luckily, the estate for Bernie Wrightson just put out a new version of it with the embroidered paper with the logo on it, and I got to buy that. That was 75 bucks. The funny thing about that is I ordered that, and I was super happy, got it on the wall, and then I saw a bunch of them on eBay. They were still pretty expensive, the original ones, but I'm happy that I got the one I got. Anyway, this guy was a lot of fun to paint. Unfortunately, following this video, there's going to be a time-lapse video of me painting it, but my GoPro didn't work whenever I was doing the skin tones. When I did washes on the skin tone and then the burial rags that he's buried in, I don't have that footage. So unfortunately, but I did paint it, I promise. But anyway, this was a lot of fun to paint. You can find these on eBay. They're over $100 usually if you find them. So Bernie Wrightson, rest in peace. I hope you like this video. If you can, check out my Twitter, check out my Instagram, check out my Slasher app. I for some reason I never mentioned that. I love the Slasher app. Nothing but horror stuff on there. Not a lot of people on there, I mean, there's thousands of people, but not, it's still super fun because it's total horror community, and that's it. You gotta love it. I'll give you a quick view about this, and then if you want to stick around and watch the time-lapse video of me painting it, that'd be great. But take care, like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you later. kit. Let's go. Find a model kit. Let's go. Fashion. I just started working on this and forgot to turn on the camera, but pretty cool. Get this dry real good, and then I'm gonna paint it. I filled underneath there with that air drying clay, so it had a little weight to it because it was super flimsy. So it don't fit on there quite perfect, but time to paint.
Where's this new model kit you got?
It's not a model kit. He's a 1/6 scale figure. Yes.
Can I be in it?
Yep, come over here.
That's really good painting.
Oh, thanks. It's just starting. He's very gross. All right, jeez Louise. Jeez Louise Papisse.
when I
fine.
did.
What's up, honey?
You know, I had the right skill set at the right time. You know,
Can I
in the
have
70s when I
more,
started doing low-budget independent films, because that's all I could do because I
that
wasn't in the
new
union. And they told me, I was told
That,
by
yeah.
the president of the union when I did
I needed to
King
paint
Kong,
the snow,
that
but
when I
the
just came
the
home,
white
was
paint that I
actually
had
doing
is
the
glossy.
Wait.
Oh.
We used to be married. The worst 19 years of my life. Just leave the bottle.
So you want another Pop-Tart or another
Waffles.
waffle?
Did you just say you played?
There he is. He's done. Super happy about it. Under booty. A fucking course!
Fucking hostile!